Hey y'all, hey, happy
Sunday, guys.
It's Sunday, and guess what? All that nice ass weather we just had, and it is raining and snowing outside right now, okay? The sun is not out, the wind is blowing, it's gloomy, it's dark, it's cold, and I'm glad because all the niggas is inside the house, okay? Chicago don't deserve no spring or no summer. What?
No.
Chicago don't deserve no spring or no summer. Because too much shit. Have you see how ain't nobody outside?
Because it's cold.
Exactly. I think that Chicago only deserves like fall, winter, all year round. Yeah. Motherfuckers don't know how to act. Soon as a little bit of sun come out. People just want to start acting goddamn retarded. But anyway, even though it's snowing, even though it's cold outside, we on our way to get in the Whirlpool Spa, okay, at the gym. Today is total body, yes, today is Sunday, but today is total body recovery, muscle relaxation, and muscle recovery from all the working out that I did all week.
Yes, guys, like we've just been working out so much, like, oh, my arms are so tired.
What'd you say?
We
did what?
We worked out a lot.
Girl, bye.
Guys, my arms are so tired. Like,
anyways, we on our way to the Whirlpool Spa. I'm gonna dip my ass in that hot tub. I'm gonna dip my ass in that pool, and then I'm gonna go in a sauna room, and then that's gonna be it for the day. I'm not gonna work out today because I gotta work out tomorrow.
Yes, we have to work out tomorrow, guys.
Her ass gonna be in school, but anyways, we finna go and just relax at the spa. So we made it to our destination, of course, and I want to show y'all outside, baby, because it is snowing. People got their coats on. The hoes ain't got their ass out. Guys, the niggas ain't got their muscles out. Girl, anywho, let me show y'all outside. See, we got some snow. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. Let me grab my little gym bag. And we finna get up in this Whirlpool Spa, baby, and relax. Y'all, we are. I've been in already, but I'm gonna test it and see like the temperature of the water, and it feels good. I'm gonna crop that part out. Look, don't want to be in the camera, so
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems and songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name.
I'm trying to see if I can call my phone. This is why I should have known this trap card.
Range, I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your with that Atari. Nigga don't go sorry. They say conversation. The nation I get down, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with
I'm
poetic
staying right
justice.
here in the
Poetic justice.
It is
If I
cold.
told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs
staying right there.
dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights, you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't gonna be sorry. They say conversation with a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
It's the length for me. But these jets feel good, so I ain't gonna lie to you. These jets feel good. On my back. I'm finna come over there. It's cold over there. I know that water cold over there.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights, you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't gonna be sorry. They say conversation with a nation. I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, so, and it's only 11:14. We was here for an hour. No, you ain't gotta get in the sauna. I'm finna get in the sauna. Oh, put your wet clothes in the plastic there.
Too bad. Okay, one for you.
Ooh. I'm finna hit this sauna. Sugar, go get your flip flops. Oh, you got them? Okay.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them, dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
That was a good swim in the hot tub. I keep forgetting about the music because this is going on YouTube.
You gotta get copyrighted.
Yeah, and then I'm not gonna, because my channel was monetized. I ain't gonna get paid. That was a good swim. The hot tub that was my first time in the hot tub. That was my first time in the pool. It was perfect. It was perfect. What you think, Sugar?
I think it was really fun.
It was relaxing.
Mom was so short, she had to hold on to the rail when we were going to the 4 feet. And it didn't even go past
4
my elbows.
feet. I can't do more than 3 feet. I cannot do more than 3 feet. Before I start panicking a little bit.
When we went to the 4 feet, it didn't even go past my, what's this? Shoulders. Didn't even go past my shoulders.
What's this? Anywho, we are on the way to get something to eat. I'm not cooking today.
Guys, Mama should get breadsticks with the pizza.
So I'm finna go to Little Caesars, right? And I'm finna get, cause it's quick and it's easy, you know? I'm gonna get her the damn breadsticks. I don't know what she's talking about.
And the sauce, guys.
Anyways, then she said she wanted goddamn White Castles. I'm like,
no, I said we should get White Castles, but I don't want White Castles no more.
I feel so relaxed. I'm finna go home. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna lay down, take a nap, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head out to work later. So, but that was very, very relaxing, very therapeutic. You know, very mindful. So, yeah.